my YouTube channel. It's me again, Tina. Before we start, please subscribe on my channel, like, comment below, and share. Let's start. Show you how to assemble this mask. This is from my sister. She works at the hospital. I will not say the hospital name. So this is face my piece. Face piece respirator. Ayan siya. Let's start. Ito yung organic vapor cartridge. Ito yung filter. So, this is good for 6 months. Hindi na niya kailangan magsuot palagi ng surgical mask. Ito ay pangmatagalan na. Ayan. Meron tayong itong para dito. Dito. Tapos, I will try to do it because my sister doesn't know how. Ito yung sa back of the head niya. Ito yung sa neck niya. Ay, balikan. Tama. Back of the head. Kasi ito yung head niya. Okay? Ayan siya, guys. Let's start. Okay? Let's start. Okay. First, we are going to read the leaflets. Half face piece respirator 6000 series. User instruction for 3 and 6100. This is small. Okay. Okay. Wow, ang haba. Ang babasahin natin. Pero hindi naman natin ito kailangan basahin lahat. We just need to look at the pictures. Oh. Okay, guys. Ayan ang picture. Natakpan na ako. Ayan ang picture. So, yan lang ang gagayahin natin. Okay, maybe we read the instruction. Okay? Use for important. Okay, use instruction and limitation. Important. Before use, the wearer must read and understand this user's instruction. Keep this user's instruction for reference. Use for respiratory protections from certain airborne contaminants according to noise approval. OSHA limitation in Canada, KCSA standard requirements. Do not use for concentration for contaminants which are immediately dangerous to life or health are known or when concentration exceeds 10 times the use instructions. Failure to follow the instruction and limitations on the use of this respirator and or failure to wear this respirator during all times of exposure can reduce respirator effectiveness and may result in sickness or death. Wow! Pag nagkamali ka lang pala ng suot mo, ganun na ang nangyayari sa'yo, mamamatay ka na. Before occupational use of this respirator, a written respiratory protections program must be implemented meeting all the requirements of OSHA 29 CFR 1910 134 such as training medical standard. Okay. 3. The airborne contaminants which can be dangerous to your health include those that are so small you may not be able to see or smell. Leave contaminated area immediately and contact supervisor if you smell or taste contaminants or dizziness, irritations, or other distress factors. Store respirator away from contaminated areas when not used. Dispose of used product in accordance with applicable regulation. Okay, yun lang guys. Okay guys, let's start. Ito na guys, tatry natin. Ito yung sa ulo. Of course.
Ihigpitan lang natin dito kapag nalawag. Naririnig mo dapat. Ihigpitan lang natin kapag nalawag dito. Ihilawan natin yan.
Higpitan natin. Diba? Nakay makapin?
Hirap.
Makakay na.
Nakakahinga. Okay. The 3M6000 series face piece must be inspected before each use to ensure that it is in good operating condition. Any damaged or defective parts must be replaced before use. The following inspection procedure is recommended. 1. Check face piece for cracks, tears, and dirt. Be certain face piece, especially face seal area, is not resulted. Number 2, examine inhalation valves for sign of distortion, cracking, or tearing. Number 3, make sure that head straps are intact. Okay, number 3, make sure that head straps are intact and good elasticity. Number 4, examine plastic parts of sign of cracking or fatigue. Make sure filter gasket are properly seated and in condition. Number 5, remove exhalation valves cover and examine exhalation valve and valve sit for sign of the distortion. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you have this, of course you know it already. Okay, this is for. Okay, this is for my sister. She works at hospital and she asked me to do assemble it. And this is good for 6 months. So when it cleans, how to clean, just wipe it here and then here, like that. Maybe this can be washed because it's plastic, can remove. And then this is good because we need a surgical mask for everyday use. This is required for her work. Also, she has a PPE, color blue. I will show the picture here, like that. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.